In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Bitazza in Tradingview. To follow along, make sure you already have a Tradingview account and a Bitazza account set up. You don't need anything advanced prepared, but you should be able to log into both. We'll be moving back and forth a little between looking at the chart and the trading panel, so it helps to watch closely and pause if you need to. First, open your web browser and go to the Tradingview website. If you're not logged in yet, go ahead and sign into your account so that your settings and layouts can be saved. Once you're on the main Tradingview page, look for the option called Supercharts. This is Tradingview's full-featured charting interface where you'll be able to connect external brokers and exchanges like Bitazza. Click on Supercharts and Tradingview will open up a chart window. It doesn't really matter which symbol you see at first. The important part is the layout around the chart. Take a moment to let everything load, because some of the trading features only appear once the page is fully ready. Now, towards the bottom of the screen, you'll see a tab or section labeled Trading Panel. This is where Tradingview lists all the supported brokers and exchanges that you can connect directly to your chart. Click on Trading Panel to expand it. If it's your first time opening this, it may show a short description or a limited list of popular connections. To see the full list, click on the option that says Show All Brokers. This will reveal every available integration that Tradingview currently supports. The list can be quite long, which is why searching is usually faster than scrolling. Once you see the complete list, look for a search field within that panel. Click into the search bar and type the word Bitazza. Tradingview will filter the list and show you the Bitazza connection option. When Bitazza appears in the list, click on it. Tradingview will then prompt you to connect. At this point, you may be asked to log in to your Bitazza account or authorize Tradingview to access it. Carefully follow the on-screen instructions and make sure you only enter your credentials directly on the official login window. After you complete the connection, Bitazza should appear as your active broker or exchange in the trading panel. From here, you can place orders directly from your Tradingview chart using your Bitazza account, making your analysis and trading workflow much smoother and more efficient.